Okay, so today we have a, what year is this, Rob?
2000.
2000, Honda S2000. Pretty much all stock, right?
Yeah, stock exhaust, stock header.
What intake is this?
Just custom made intake.
Is it 5-inch, 4-inch?
4-inch.
4-inch.
Velocity stack.
Velocity stack. Stock header.
RDX injectors.
RDX injectors. We did like custom install sort of, right?
Yeah. AEM V2.
AEM V2. Stock exhaust.
Stock exhaust and
K-tune mufflers.
just K2 mufflers.
That's it.
That's it.
And yeah, we're just gonna see how much it makes. This car's already been tuned. What did it make last time?
225.
225. And yeah, just gonna do a touch up, see if it's still making 225. Maybe play around a bit with the two-step, see if it shoots some better flames. We've adjusted like the decel so it should pop and burble and crack and shoot flame on the decel. But yeah. So let's get going and see what it makes. Okay, all done. What we ended up doing was, it made the same power, but what we ended up playing, he wanted some decel pops and crackles, so retarded timing, 2000 and up in decel, minus 10, and then what we've also done is kind of set up a sort of, almost like a rolling anti-lag. The the two-step settings, and put it on a switch. So we got this switch, and what it does is, let me turn the car on. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It's kind of loud in the shop today. So we got this switch. It's a momentary switch, and when you set it so it doesn't matter what speed we're going, but as long as we're above 5,000 RPM, it'll start doing ignition cut and it'll start retarding timing, and no fuel cut. So what happens is, you push the button, and let me get it running so it's better to show. So normally, I don't know if you can see, normally red line's at 91, but what we have is with this switch, it'll temporarily turn on the two-step limit and set the rev limit to 5,000. So as long as he's above 5,000, he pushes the switch, it'll kind of go into a rolling anti-lag. It'll hold it at that RPM basically, anything above 5,000. So. purely for fun. It's definitely not good for anything other than shooting flames and just having fun. Like that's all it's really for. It does nothing performance-wise. It's not good for the exhaust. It's not good for the engine. But like, who really cares? This car is purely just for fun. And yeah, so that's it for today. For this car, at least. I have some more cool cars, some more cool content coming up. But yeah, hopefully this video turned out. Hopefully you can hear me okay. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.